Hello, my fish keeping friends. I'm making water Sprite popcorn. See them all jumping? So these are called springtails. I think they're in the water Sprite family. Comment if I'm wrong, I'm learning all this stuff. So these things are really awesome. Let's see if we can get a closer look in Carl's fish shed. Fish keeping friends. Okay. One should pop in the screen in a moment. Oh. These little white guys, huh? They're tiny. Cool. So let's see what I'm looking at, just to give you a reference of how big it is. The water's all cloudy because I just added new green water to this. Lots of Euphaustoria. Oh, there's so many of them I forget. What's the other one called, y'all? Parameciums. Maybe some Daphnia. Scuds are in here. Bladder snails, ram's horn snails, you name it. Macrofauna, microfauna, madness. There's this guy called Phillips Fishworks, and he sells bio bag of bugs. It's like biological micro and macrofauna for your aquarium that's already seasoned. He has these big barrels of it, and he gives you some leaves. Look it up. Support his channel. He's a really great guy. That'd be awesome. Just be kind to others. Spread love and joy, and love and joy comes back. I promise you this, you guys. Listen to some wisdom from an old man. I love you guys. I wish you guys health and wealth and abundance. Thank you for watching.